Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Hackerrank Problem, which is Anagram Checker. The Anagram Checker, we have to know what is anagram. For that we can read the problem statement. An anagram is a type of word play, the result of rearranging the letters of a word or phrase to produce a new word or phrase using all the original letter exactly once. For example, Torchwood can be rearranged into Doctor Who. You can see here Torchwood has a set of letters. These letters count same reflected here, but it is rearranged in different way. That is the difference. This is called anagram. We have to do a program for that. We can see the problem. The problem is given two strings. We are having two strings S1 and S2. Find if they are anagrams of each other. We have to find S1 and S2 are anagrams of each other. We can say Torchwood and Doctor Who is an anagram of each other. Like that, we have to check S1 and S2, both the strings. Here condition is string contain lowercase letters and uppercase letters and digits. Input format is two strings will be given as input. Print anagram if they are anagram of each other. Else print not anagram. This is the output format. The sample input here is ABC, BCA. Here ABC is one string, another string is BCA. We can see here A, B, C. A count is 1, B count is 1, C count is 1. Here also same reflected, but it is rearranged. That is the difference. So these both are anagram of each other. So output is anagram. The explanation is given here. We have to do program for that. First, I have to use the collections here. I will tell you why. From collections, import counter. Here I am importing counter. Here work of counter is counter will count the in the list the set of letters how many times coming. Here we can see if I convert ABC into list, then it will take A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, like that in dictionary. It convert it into dictionary. That is the speciality of counter. So I'm using the counter here to check the count of some letters is equally reflected in another string. If it is same, then we can say it is an anagram. Otherwise, we can print it as not anagram. The logic I'm going to write here. Before that, I want to get the input from the user. I take S1 comma S2 equal to map of string comma input of dot split of. You can see here S1 and S2 both the strings are getting from the same line in the sample input format. So I'm getting the same line. Here it will be a string. I'm not converting to any other data type. So it is a string. When a space is coming, it is splitted as two strings, S1 and S2. I have to convert this into my format as list. Then only I can use the counter. So I'm using for I in S1. This will give the list of letters which is in first string S1. Then list 2 equal to J for J in S2. This will give the list 2. Now we have to check the if condition. If counter of L1 equal to counter of L2. If both are equal, I can say it is a anagram. Yes, I can print it as not anagram. This is the program. I will run it. You can see here the sample input is passed. I will submit it. Yeah, you can see here all the test cases are passed and the output is the program is accepted. It is said as a hard problem, but it is simple. If we know the collections, we can utilize the collections module here. The simple is first we are getting inputs, then we are importing the collections. From that we are importing counter, then converting the two strings into two lists, then comparing the counter of two lists. This here you can see, I will just copy it. I will show you that how it is. I will show you that how it is reflected here, how the counter will work. In online compiler, I taken the Python Ripple IT. The working of counter will be explained now. Now I will just print it. Just I'm running. I give input as A, B, C, D. Then I give space G, H, A, B. If I give enter, you can see that here it says that not anagram. If I try to print the counter of L, counter, counter of L1, and print counter of. If I again run it, if I give ABC's input and BCD as output, another string, then if I give enter, you can see here A count is 1 in first string and B count is 1, C count is 1 in first string. In second string, B count is 1, C count is 1, D count is 1. Here the B count and C count is matches, but A count and D count here not available D, here not available A. So these both are not equal. We know that this is a dictionary format. Both are not equal, so it says it returns false here. So it go to the else part contains not anagram, so it just printing. This way counter will work. I hope you understood. This is the source code for this program. I will give in the GitHub link for this code. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.